Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how to get the new Roblox mod menu update for iOS and Android with no key, unlimited Robux, God mode fly, wall hack, and a lot more futures I will let you discover by yourself. And like you see guys, I can add the amount of Robux I want, plus it's direct install, no need for eSign or Scarlet for iOS users. And it's super easy to install, it will take like 2 or 3 minutes just by following some simple steps. So let's start our tutorial on how to get it. First of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I'm going to use Safari, but it works like on every browser you prefer. Then head to the website where we're going to get the Roblox mod menu. I will leave you the link on the screen, then search for the Roblox mod menu and hit the download button. Then you should head over all the way down until you find those buttons where they ask you to choose your device type. I will go with iOS in case you're on iPhone, iPad. Choose iOS, and for other devices, choose the Android. Then the download should start automatically. In some cases, with the high traffic on the website, for some security reasons, it may ask you to complete the human verification by completing 2 offers, like installing an app or completing a survey. I recommend choosing the ones with the easy icon. Once the download is done, you can start enjoying your game along with the executor, and that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like and a sub. Thanks.